It is Tuesday, June 11th, 2019. In today's Bitcoin technical analysis, our four indicators are uncovering a coherent bullish bias in Bitcoin. And at the end of this video, I'll explain why I think altcoins are even a better opportunity. This is another episode of the 24 Hours of Bitcoin. Now, before I jump ahead, I invite you to pause the video and read through the disclaimer because this isn't trading advice, this is just market observation for this stream. Let's jump in and take a look at Bitcoin and the coherent bullish bias I'm seeing in our indicators right now. It's mostly to do in this 4-hour time frame as I'm analyzing this last little shoulder of our potential head and shoulders top formation right here. It's looking stronger off of this side for now. And as we look into the on-balance volume, we can see here another divergence where it's looking stronger off of this shoulder here. It's gone from the big bots of selling and it's overall showing strength at the end of this. So as this exponential moving average crosses over and we break these levels, we'll be expecting to see that the on-balance volume is picking back up to these levels around the 4,000 level for this indicator. And then when we go on to the MACD indicator, this one is showing a bearish divergence as well as prices are staging a little bit higher lows here. And so for this to crack higher, we're going to see this move significantly up. The histograms will move much stronger and the green will cross and stay above the red as we're going along. So long as this is breaking higher, this is what we're going to be seeing in the MACD indicator. And then when we go to our Ichimoku Cloud indicator here on the 4-hour time frame, again, we're looking for this cloud to twist to green, and we're looking for the last couple days for this blue line to cross above the red line here. So the very first little glimmers of it are starting to show up here. And this is really important. Even though we've seen Bitcoin make some great moves up here on the daily view, and there is a head and shoulders top formation here, it really could pull back to the $6,000 level. And it may, when we see Litecoin, it's pulled up a bit, it's got room to pull back, but these are such important staging levels that I believe we're going to be going higher. And here's a bit of why. When we compare the price, the total market cap of all of the coins, and we see what happened all the way through our big run up in 2017, look at the volume that went on during that time. Now, prices are nowhere near as high as they were, and volume is more than twice of what the top volume was. And when we go to Google Trends and look at Bitcoin, we can see that the public's interest matched the Bitcoin top price here, but we have way more trading volume, and the public has not turned their attention back to Bitcoin in the same way. So that tells me that underneath this chart, this is institutional buying. This is really big stuff. Now, when we go back to the altcoins versus Bitcoin, which one is the bigger opportunity right now? I wanted to go to this chart, the Bitcoin dominance, and we're looking at the weekly view so that we can look at from March 2017 to July 2017 and December to January 2018 when we had a couple of the big altcoin bull runs. And this chart here is the opposite. It looks the opposite. It's also a weekly chart, and from March to July of 2017 you can see that the altcoin market cap versus dominance went up very powerfully, and at this time all of the alts went in a major bull run, the most major bull run. Now the thing that's really important is that during this time that Bitcoin was losing all of this dominance was from March till July of 2017. Let's go grab a daily chart, pull it back and go back to March to July of 2017. So here is March to July of 2017. As Bitcoin was losing dominance massively, it doubled in price. It went from $1,000 to $2,500 in price. It came out of a consolidation and went crazy as it was losing dominance. And the most important thing about this is all of the altcoins are going to be mooning if this is the case. Let's zoom in on this chart so that we can see what's going on with Bitcoin dominance on a closer basis here. From April 1st to May 13th, Bitcoin dominance really took a swing up. And during that time, if we zoom in on this other chart, we can see that from April 1st to May 13th, altcoins all took a major hammering, but they've since bounced up. And should they pass above this green line, then altcoins are going to be mooning, even if Bitcoin prices are going up. Even if Bitcoin dominance is slipping back, then all of the altcoins are going to be mooning at the same time. And if you're interested in that kind of thing, I recommend that you go over to digitalcurrencytraders.com and check out our alerts package for the cryptocurrencies. Here's some of the coins that we have going right now, holding a 54% profit in NAS, 51% profit in HC, 47% in Seller. And here is the trade on NAS, where we are watching this consolidation and bottom formation, the exponential moving average crossover. It was a nice clean trade. We're still holding, got our stop above our entry level, and we'll be watching for this one to top out and give us the signals when to get out. That's a fantastic trade. Now, the next one I want to take a look at is HC. Just quickly go through a couple of these. So HC, you can see another bottom formation and a great entry point, really looking great. We're watching to see where this is consolidating, and we'll be moving our stop losses up underneath this one. And this is part of the alerts package that you can go and find over on digitalcurrencytraders.com. We scan over 250 markets and keep you up to date. Here's some history of the actual alerts if this is something interesting to you. We've done some fantastic trades over the last while since we started out this alert package. The markets are perfect for this type of trading. And I want to tell you that it's not just mystery signals that you get training included so that you understand this entire trading system. All the way through, step by step, all sorts of training to help you through and understand how to use these alert spreadsheets so that you can make these kind of profits and returns as well. We've been doing this for a while, and this is what some of our customers are saying. If you're interested in this, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can find a package that's right for you. You may be a quick learner. You can start off with a 7-day trial for $1. Go through everything in $7 and unsubscribe. You could learn a ton in that period of time. No fault, no harm, no loss. I invite you to do it. Check it out for $1 with PayPal. If you know this is something that's going to be good for you for a long period of time, your best deal is to go and pay in cryptos. You'll go over to our other website to scroll down and save 70% by paying in cryptocurrencies. And if you want to support our community, you can scroll to the very bottom of this page and save even more with a 20% discount. Anyway, I will go back to the price of Bitcoin now. Let's zoom into the 1-minute bars and see what's actually going on. Here's the 5-minute bars. We are showing some strength moving off of these periods here. This is really going to be great. So anyway, I appreciate you guys tuning in for this. We'll update it again tomorrow and follow along with our indicators to map them as this bull run continues. Thanks again, and good luck in all of your Bitcoin trading.